Hey everyone, welcome back to Repairs to Go. In today's video, we are tackling a common issue with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, a cracked screen. Whether it's a minor crack or a shattered front display, I'll walk you through the full screen replacement process from disassembly to reassembly, using pro tips to make it smoother and safer. Let's bring this phone back to life. Mega love shout out to Board Vlogger, Warport TV, Didiona, Dimimi and Rose Colored Glasses Logan. And mega love shout out to all my viewers. To begin the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE screen replacement, power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Use a heat gun or heating pad to warm up the back cover for a few minutes to soften the adhesive, then gently pry it open using a thin metal spudger or a plastic pick, working around the edges carefully. You can also use isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive on the edges. Once the back panel is removed, unscrew and lift off the mid-frame that houses the wireless charging coil. Disconnect the battery first to prevent any electrical damage, then unplug the display flex and any other cables connected to the motherboard. Locate the screw securing the motherboard, usually near the top side, and carefully unscrew it to loosen the board. To access the charging port, carefully disconnect and unscrew the daughter board at the bottom where the USB-C port is located. Apply a few drops of isopropyl alcohol around and beneath the battery to help loosen the adhesive. Before lifting the motherboard, make sure all flex cables are detached. If you're using a full screen assembly with the frame, transfer any necessary parts like the ear speaker or side buttons if not pre-installed. Gently pry it up using a spudger, it may be lightly adhered with tape or glue, and set it aside. Gently pry the battery out using a plastic card or spudger, avoid bending or puncturing it. If using a full-screen assembly with frame, transfer essential parts like the charging port, speaker, and sensors. Reinstall the charging port and motherboard, secure the motherboard screw, reconnect all flex cables. Reconnect all the necessary cables and assemble the mid-frame. Don't forget to reconnect the wireless charging connector. Power the phone back on and screw back all the Phillips screws removed earlier. Test all major functions, display, charging, sound, signal, and biometrics to ensure everything is working like new. Reinsert the SIM tray. Apply fresh adhesive to the back cover, press it down firmly, and clamp if needed. Apply light pressure around the edges to secure it. And that's how you replace the cracked screen on a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you've got questions, and subscribe to Repairs to Go for more step-by-step repair tutorials and tech tips. I've got plenty more repair content coming your way, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep fixing, keep learning.